Hello, Luis. I'm in a little trouble. I've connected the hardware connection of the router, but I cannot connect to the internet. I don't know why. Can you help me? See?
Yes, the hardware connection is okay. Let me see. Okay, I know. Right now, you have to set up your router first.
Network setting. Right-click Network. Choose Properties. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click Local Area Connection. Choose Properties. Double-click TCP/IP Protocol. Obtain the IP address automatically. Click OK. OK. Then open any browser. Here we choose Google. Enter the IP address which is printed on the router case. Input username and password, both admin. Click Login. The first page we can see is Setup Wizard. TOTOLINK N100RE provides 3 Internet access methods. Here we choose PPPoE ADSL. Please input the correct username and password provided by your Internet service provider. Apply. Wait a moment. Then re-enter admin for both username and password to reboot the router. Now, this page shows the Internet connection status. And then we can try some website for testing. Here we choose TOTOLINK website. See, connected successfully. Wireless setting. On Setup Wizard page, we can also do wireless setting. We can rename our wireless and set a password to protect it. Choose WPA2 PSK and define a password and keep it in mind. Then click Apply and wait a moment. Re-enter admin for both username and password to reboot the router. This page shows the wireless setting status. Before doing wireless connection test, we'd better disconnect the cable on the computer. Then right-click Network, choose Properties, click Change Adapter Settings, right-click Wireless Network Connection, choose Enable. We can see on the bottom right, there is an icon showing wireless connection status. Click the icon, choose TOTOLINK N100RE, connect, input the correct password, OK. The icon shows the wireless signal strength. Finally, we can go to any website to test the wireless connection. Here we choose Google. Okay, all the basic settings are finished.
Okay, you can check your mobile phone.
Wow, it's been connected. You're so great.
Yes.
Give me back.
Okay.